Welcome back to my channel, Vintage Bakes 101. Today we're actually going to be making a drink from the Norge recipe cookbook. You actually received this when you purchased a Norge refrigerator. It's got some interesting recipes, but I came across a drink called a lemon shake. It calls for sugar syrup and I didn't want to buy any, so I'm going to make some. You need 1 cup of sugar and you're going to need 1 cup of water. You're going to combine that with the sugar and put it over medium heat. As you put that over medium heat, you're going to need a whisk. So you're going to whisk the sugar and the water together. As you can see, when you first start out, it is cloudy, but you're going to keep whisking until it goes clear. Once it goes clear, go ahead and take it off the heat and set it aside. You're going to need a zester, a knife, and 1 lemon. So in the recipe, it asks for lemon zest, so I assumed that they needed actually like zest, but what they need is actually peel. So after I read the recipe and realized that the zester isn't going to pull off as much peel as I need, I needed to go and get a peeler. I cannot peel things without a peeler. I can't do it with a knife. I am just not that capable. So this peeler was giving me a hard time and it took me a minute. As you can see, I'm a little irritated with it. And I'm wearing a Space Jam shirt, so that helped a little bit. But I finally got the entire lemon peeled after way longer than it should have taken. So I cut off the scraggly bits and just left the middle because you don't actually need all that zest. So I took off the other pieces and ended up with about, I'd probably say a little over 1/4 cup of the lemon peel. And you'll also need to cut the lemon in half, and you're going to need a drink shaker. I live in a Mormon household, so we do not have that. So I used a coffee cup. And so as I'm squeezing that in there, I figured out that we had a juicer, and I also figured out that I had a lot of cuts on my hands, so that was fun. So you're going to take the juice of 1 whole lemon and put it in with the peel of 1 whole lemon as well. And you're also going to need an egg white. And my grandma is super talented and said that she used to whip egg whites on a plate with a knife. I am not talented at all, so I needed an electric whisk. I whisked it, I don't know, maybe 30 seconds or so. You don't need it to come to soft peaks or anything. You just basically need it to come together. So after you do that, go ahead and empty your egg whites into the drink with the lemon and the zest, and you're also going to need a 1/2 cup of water, and that will go in with the lemon zest, the lemon juice, and the egg whites, and a 1/2 cup of ice, and that will go in the shaker as well. So I took a coffee cup and I shook it around, and you want to make sure that everything's really combined, so I shook it for a little while. And then we also are going to add 2 tablespoons of our sugar syrup that we made earlier in the video. We're going to add that as well, and we're going to shake it all to combine. My mom got these glasses from my great-grandma. She was very, very proud of them, and she wanted them in the video, and I said, okay. And I put them in the video, and then I put them in the sink, and one of them broke, so she probably won't be talking to me for a little while. You're going to put the whipped egg white that you have in the cup, and you're going to put that on top of the lemon shake, and you're going to dress up it somehow. I decided that that looked ridiculous and took a drink, and it hit me right in the jaw. It was very lemony. It was, like I said, just meh. Would I make it again? Probably not. I think there's better things out there. But it was fun to try. Definitely, I think it would be like a good mixer if you were having like alcohol or anything with it. I would definitely use it. Other than that, it was just meh. It hit me in the jaw and I didn't really like it. And the only person that liked it was my younger brother, who said that he would actually drink it all, but because of the egg whites, we decided not to let him drink it all because he may die. Thank you so much for watching my second video. Hopefully my third video will be up by the end of the week, and I hope you guys have a great day. Have fun in the kitchen.